outside in a car. She has meowed for the past 20 minutes.
She's just talking. Yeah, see? She said yeah. Hey, everybody.
It's Friday.
And we are camping!
Stole your thunder.
S'more camping with the Schraggs here. How does the thing go?
If you are new to our channel, we would appreciate if you hit the, how does it go? Subscribe, like, and ring that bell for notifications when we put out a new video. So where are we going this weekend?
Well, this is more, this trip has a purpose because this guy needs a new mower.
That's right.
So, where do you go to buy a mower? Amish Country. So we are in Amish Country, getting ready to pass through, Sugarcreek here soon? And we're going to hit a new campground we've never been to called
Scenic Hills RV.
Resort? Is it a resort?
I can't remember.
We'll find out. Yeah, so it's like right off of downtown in Berlin, Ohio. And doesn't have much there, but it's not, I think most people that are using this campground, they're using it to just go there and sleep and go to Amish.
Yep, go
country.
shopping and exploring. So, not everybody's cup of tea.
I think it's going to be perfect. Everybody says it's very pretty and quiet. I like that.
We tried to get into Evergreen, but they are packed full this weekend. So we've never been here, so we thought we'd give it a shot. But again, this is more of a purpose camping trip. We could have stayed home, I guess, and just drove, but that's not even fun.
No.
So,
What? Oh, just come down tomorrow, you mean?
Yeah.
Nah. We'll make a camping trip out of it. So, Pepper has not got too many trips in yet this year, so she's still a little nervous. She meows for about the first 35 minutes or so. Scenic Hills RV Park in, are we in Millersburg?
Millersburg.
Wow. That's where we're at.
Yep.
So we got here after the store closed. We haven't even paid. By the way, if you are thinking about coming here, they only take cash or check. No credit cards. You also do get free firewood, which is very nice. There's a big pile back here, and you just grab what you want. You have to cut it up, but what else? We just had dinner. And waiting for the Kiefers to come back so we can have a fire.
Sure.
What'd you just tell me?
I said I hate jeans.
Why do you hate jeans?
They're the most unfreaking comfortable thing in the world.
What's your favorite pair of pants to wear?
Oh, sweatpants.
Mine are shorts.
I like shorts too, but I hate jeans. They irritate me.
All right, I gotta say goodbye to Pepper, and then you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's see where Pepper is. This lump. That's Pepper. All right, let's go.
I get the freaking joke right now. I finally get the joke.
What joke?
The stop sign joke.
What about it?
How do you stop a horse? You tell it, whoa! Yeah, that's how you stop a horse. That's why that stop sign
And
says,
that's why
whoa.
that stop sign says, whoa.
Good morning. Good sunny morning. It is early. We got up early this morning, and we told you guys yesterday that we are camping with a mission. So this morning we are at Holmes Rental Station, and this is a Cub Cadet dealer, an elite dealer, I believe. So I don't know if you can see this or not. It's super sunny. One of these mowers are going to be coming home with us today. Well, we're going to have them deliver it, but that's why we're here. We are buying a mower because my husband thinks he needs a new one. So that's what we're doing.
Happy Saturday. And why is it happy?
Because you just bought a mower? So we're going to get out of here, you guys. Remember, until we talk to you again, the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. We'll talk to you guys later.
See ya.
Bye-bye.